Now, because I have nothing to do at 1 o'clock in the morning, I wanted to record this. Oh my god, I'm crooked. There, that's better. How do I look?
Fabulous.
Fabulous. I always did this as a kid. Twizzlers, that's healthy to eat. I always did this as a kid. It was always fun. So I figured I'd just show you guys. I don't know if I've ever seen it on YouTube. I used to do this like 10 years ago, maybe 15.
I'm scared.
Wasting time. Have you ever done this before?
I don't know what you're doing, but whatever it is, I'm scared.
Why?
Because you make me scared.
If you put, I mean, you probably shouldn't do this if you're watching this and you're under 18, because you might mess up your parents' microwave. But
see what I mean?
if you put the chip bag in the microwave, it's really cool what happens. I'm not gonna tell you. We're gonna just watch. So ready, go. Now it's in the no, just
wait. You have to show them there's no microwave.
It's in the mic. Well, I'm gonna record through the thing anyway. Or very dirty microwave. It's in there. I usually did the small bags for about 5 seconds. So we're gonna do this one for 7 and see what happens.
Oh dear God.
I didn't even test it first. We're just going for it. It's been a long time, but here we go. You ready?
I thought I put the kids to sleep.
Mary said she never did this as a kid.
No, my father would kill me.
How do I work this thing? Oh, here we go.
Dear God.
There we go. 7 seconds. Ready? Here we go. See that? It's a little warm to the touch, but you see that?
What the hell is wrong with you? You're crazy.
Isn't that the coolest thing ever?
Hi.
Isn't that awesome, Mom?
Oh my God. Oh my God. It just really wow. And I had like lightning through it. He's amazed me.
See? I'm cool, aren't I?
Did you break the microwave?
Nah, it'll still work. Maybe.
Oh, Boomer's over there.
Bag number 2.
The lightning, I think, is my favorite. It's got it's a lightning, man-made lightning.
Spicy nacho.
That's my. Oh, look, it's all coming off on my hand.
Here's Mary's bracelets again. Anyway, pretty cool. If you have 14 seconds to spare and a couple bags laying around, it's pretty cool to watch in person.
Do it with your parents. Don't do it unattended by yourself.
Right. If it's not your microwave and you can't buy a new one, don't do it.
And you have to be 18.
I don't know if it'll break your microwave. Anyway, hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. We love you. Peace.